Hello there. So this is just a quick video to give you an idea of how your microblading appointment gets started. So before you arrive, your tools are being sanitized in a high steam, high heat sterilizer to make sure there's no bacteria and cross-contamination. I also get set up with all of my tools in a nice clean environment, and everything is laid out ready for you to come in and have your service done, performed by me. Here's a close-up of the tool tips that we use. Let me get focused here. When I provide microblading, this tool here is called a number 9 angled needle. I don't know if I get any closer, it might blur. There we go. You can see there's 9 tiny needles lined up in an angle. That's for detailed, super thin strokes. This is the most common one here. This is, I believe it's an 11 or a 14 needle. I usually start with this one. And then we have our U-tip needle here. If I could get it focused, there we go. And it's got a rounded U shape. Again, just like the first one, that's for more precise, crisp strokes. Usually I do that in the middle and towards the end when we're doing those defining finishing strokes. And I also use what's called a brow buddy tool. That's this guy here. That helps me map out your natural shape for your brows. I have some gloves here, some gauze, paper towels, your anesthetics, your ink stick, and this is what we use just to put color swatches on your forehead to color match, a brow pencil, a couple of flock tips, my pigment cups, a pencil sharpener, and just an extra little gauze there. So that's pretty much my setup. When you come in, I'll answer any questions that you may have about getting started. We'll talk about your brow shape. I'll take some before pictures, and then I'll take a few during and at the end just to kind of show our progress. I will also make sure you're as comfortable as we can get you and map out that brow shape for you using my brow pencil here. And I'll also give you the mirror so you can kind of give me feedback on the type of shape that you want and you would like to see for your final brow session. So that's pretty